Let's begin the class. Today experiment, carbon dioxide is necessary for photosynthesis. Can be explained into two ways. Story-wise explanation, public examination-wise explanation. The story has three characters, Greeny, Leafy and the monster. Once upon a time, there were two happy plants named Greeny and Leafy. Both were kept hungry in the dark room for 3 days. No sunlight, no food, no starch. One day, they were taken outside. Greeny went into a jar alone. Leafy went into another jar. But oh no, Greeny monster named KOH was sitting inside. KOH monster, I will eat up to all carbon dioxide here. Leafy, you won't eat any carbon dioxide to eat. Greeny, without KOH, happily got sunlight, carbon dioxide, water, cooked food starch. Leafy with KOH had sunlight, water, but no carbon dioxide, could not cook any food. Where the teacher checked their leaves with iodine solution. Greeny's leaf turned into blue. Yes, I made food. Teacher checked their leaves with iodine solution. Leafy's leaf stayed pale. No carbon dioxide, no food. Moral of the cartoon story: without carbon dioxide, plants cannot make food. Carbon dioxide is necessary for photosynthesis. Now we see public examination wise explanation. Aim: to prove that carbon dioxide is necessary for photosynthesis. Requirements: healthy 2 potted plants, belly jar, 2 coil flasks, potassium hydroxide KOH solution, Vaseline, split cork, black pepper, light source and iodine solution. Procedure: destaunch the plant by keeping it in dark place for 48 hours to remove the stored starch. Place the plant in sunlight with 2 leaves enclosed in separate belly jars. In jar A, place a flask with potassium hydroxide to absorb carbon dioxide. In jar B, place a flask with plain water. It acts as control carbon dioxide present. Seize the jars with Vaseline around the base to make them tightly. Keep the setup in sunlight for 4 to 6 hours. After that experiment, the leaves both jars tested them with iodine solution. Observation: the leaves from jar B, carbon dioxide present, turn into the blue and black, indicates the starch is present. Photosynthesis occurred. The leaf jar A, carbon dioxide removed, does not turn blue and black. No starch formed. Conclusion: this shows that carbon dioxide is essential for photosynthesis. No starch was produced in its absence. Finally, diagram. To see on the screen, draw same diagram in public examination. Thank you.